Hey there. I didn't see you. I didn't see you there. I didn't see you there.
Hands up, hands up. Body in the motion. Dance away my trouble.
Hey, woo! Yes, sir. It's Georgie, and welcome to my very first YouTube channel. Wait, hold on. How could I forget? Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to share. We're gonna wait. Wait, you're not moving. If you want to see how I achieve these eyebrows, I need you to pause the video. You're still here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to slay your eyebrows, okay? If you're not a makeup artist and you don't have money to be spending, to be buying in MAC and all these other big name products, you can really just do this simple way. So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm not even about to lie. The way that I do my eyebrows is probably very ratchet. But I don't really care because guess what? It gets the job done, okay? I've been doing my eyebrows this way for the past, couple of months maybe, just because I've just been lazy and I just didn't want to go out and buy new eyebrow products. So if you have really just the bare minimum products, you can really achieve that beautiful arched eyebrow that you want. Okay, so the first step in accomplishing snatch eyebrows is brushing out your eyebrows. You need to lay the foundation. How are you gonna do your eyebrows if they looking like this on your forehead? No, you need to brush them out so that they can be looking like at least like this, so you can have something that you can work with. So what I do first and foremost, and you can use like an eyebrow brush like this, or you can use a toothbrush if you don't have this toothbrush, okay, an old toothbrush. And what I do is I brush up the hairs up like this. I brush my hairs. I brush them up like that. Just like that. Yep. And then I'm just gonna show you. Stop talking. And already my eyebrows are already looking better. And I'm gonna take this harder combed end and I'm gonna cut across, again, to set a foundation for my eyebrows. Everyone's bone structure and eyebrow structure are different, so just follow your natural eyebrow, if that makes sense. Okay, so the next step in doing my eyebrows, this is where the ratchet part comes. Beautiful. Some people normally use, the eyebrow pencil, but if you're like me, we're gonna use this Morphe palette, Morphe 3502. And because my skin is like brown, normally dark brown works for my eyebrows, and I normally go with this color right here. And what I do is you need a brush like this. Can you see the brush? Wow, I'm so professional. You want to use a flat edge brush, period. Yep, it's kind of arched like this, but it's very flat brush. And you want to dab the brush on each side. So then after you do that, you want to take the brush and again follow your line, your natural eyebrow line. I start with the bottom and I kind of like make a straight line across and then start filling up. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, it helps when I raise my eyebrows up like this. Okay. Okay, honey.
Hello, honey.
Okay, honey. Period. Look at the difference in eyebrow already. Okay, cool. One thing to note about your eyebrows is that they don't necessarily have to be like extremely perfect, because you are going to use concealer and foundation to kind of hide the mess ups. So don't think you have to be too perfect in doing your eyebrow. Take the flat edge brush, dab on both sides. Wow. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. Wow, YouTube is actually so awkward. I'm literally in my room talking to myself. Who would have thought?
Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Okay. Wow, this is very intense eyebrowing. Yeah, we're gonna fit. I'm gonna teach you how to fix your mess ups, okay? Because this side, it's looking crazy. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna rebrush it, my eyebrows again, just to blend in so things aren't very harsh. Now the next step, I know I look crazy right now, you guys, especially on my left eyebrow, but listen, the concealer is gonna make it look all better. Okay, so when I do my eyebrows, I like to mix my concealer and my foundation. So the concealer that I'm using is Pro.Conceal HD. And then the foundation is, I literally got this from Walmart, you guys. So I'm using Me Poreless. So what I like to do is like to mix it just to minimize the harshness of the concealer, because the concealer, you don't want to have ghost eyebrows. You know those ghost eyebrows that they just be glowing? You don't want that. So you kind of want to mix both of them. So what I do is I'm going to squeeze out some of the concealer. Bam. I'm just gonna take my foundation and kind of stick my concealer in it. We're getting ratchet, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting really ratchet. And I dip my concealer into my foundation, and then you want to mix them together, a nice blend. I want to say you want more foundation than concealer, just because of the fact that the concealer is lighter, and you want your eyebrows to be more so of your color. Once you get a good mix in, I'm going to use my concealer brush and we're going to get at it. We're going to start with this eyebrow since it's troublesome. Again, with this, you just want to go straight across and down. Just follow your natural arc. With the top, we're going to try to do more of the foundation color. I don't know if you guys can see. We're going to do more of the foundation color, and we want to use the flatter edge. So with the bottom, I kind of use the tip and I moved along my eyebrow like this. With the top, I go sideways. Okay. Another thing to know as a beginner, just know your eyebrows are literally sisters. They're sisters, not twins. Okay? They're sisters born at 2 different times. Okay? They're fraternal, not identical. So don't get too obsessed with making your eyebrows look exactly the same, because honestly, who's even looking that hard? Nobody. Now we're gonna start blending. This is important because if I walked out the house like this, you guys would think that I was crazy. You need to blend. Eyebrows like this are not cute. Let me tell you, they're gonna notice. So how do we blend, Georgina? Thank you for asking. Okay, I didn't get on it. So how do we blend, Georgina? Wow, thanks for asking. This is how we blend. So I'm using this brush right here. It's not a name brand brush. It's just, I feel like people know me typically.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I feel like people normally use this brush for eyeshadow. I kind of use it for both. I use it for eyeshadow and blending out my eyebrows. So what I do is, let's get closer. I know you guys love my face. I'm gonna take this brush and blend like this. Okay, and you just want to drag everything over like that. Just like that. And then you want to do that on the other side. Keep doing that motion until you get your eyebrows pretty much all the way blended out. Okay, so the very last-ish step is to take a powder, like this, and a sponge. It's like a regular one of those makeup sponges, and you kind of want to just press it in there and start at the edge of your eyebrow and press on underneath. This is a very light powder. It's not a serious powder. It's kind of like a finishing, it's a press powder. It's a press foundation powder. And you can really go light with this. This isn't something that you go heavy with. It's just so that your eyebrows don't look like they're floating on your head. And you just want to press around the eyebrow and then bring it up. To make sure that your eyebrows aren't like too blockish, again, go back to the brush and just brush out the beginning of your eyebrow to make that blend. And you guys, that's it. We're done. That's how I do my eyebrows. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.